Good day, everyone. This is your friend Michael from Smartpip Digital Network. Today, I want to run 5 trade sessions, 5 live trade sessions on boom and crash, depending on how the market moves, using my signal from Volatility Crusher. So this is a naked chart. Of course, I have a screen with me where my signal is displayed. Okay, right now on boom 1000, I have a signal for sell. I have a signal for sell because I ought to have entered 2 minutes ago, but I'm still going to enter all the way. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be using 0.75. I'm opening two position of a sell. So I'm closing when I have $5 profits. So I hope to have 5 trade sessions. So let's go for the first one. So once it is $5, I'm going to close the trade. So this is our first trade session. So I'll be pausing the video at intervals so as not to make it too long. So when it's about to get to take profits, I'm going to open it up again. All right, I'm back at 4.99, $5.03. So I'm going to close the trade now. I'm going to close the trade. First position closed. Henry, stop that. Then second position closed. So first trade was a success. So we'll wait for another opportunity again to enter another trade. So I'm going to pause the video. All right, I have another signal on crash 1000. In the next couple of seconds, I'm going to enter for buy. I'm going to enter on 0.752 positions, and I'm closing the trade right on dot of $5 accumulated from those two positions. Okay, so just in the next 1 minute, I'm going to enter for a buy. I'm just waiting for the final confirmation of that signal. All right, signal confirmed. I'm going in for buy, 2 positions. Okay, we're still here. My $5 is complete, and I'm closing the trade now. First position closed. You can see it there. Then I'm closing the second position. Second position closed. So second trade successful. There's about how many candles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is five. That's six candles. So two trade successfully taken. Let's wait for another signal. Right. While we're waiting for another signal, let me state here clearly that when you want to trade, especially boom and crash, you don't gamble with your money. You have to wait for perfect entry. I'm a conservative trader. Understand, I'm a conservative trader, and I like trading when my system gives me go ahead. I don't just enter trade. You understand? You have to be a disciplined trader that you don't just open your chart and start entering position. That is gambling and you're going to lose your money big time. So waiting is part of the game, is part of the discipline. Sometimes I do just 5 sessions in a day. There are times I do 10, 15 sessions in a day. It depends on the signal that comes and the confirmation I receive. You understand? So don't just open your charts. Don't just open your trade. Open your charts and then just entering positions. When you have a reliable trading system that you're using, make sure you work according to the dictates of that system. You understand? So that is what I do. I have been using my system for quite a good number of time, good number of months, and I have others who have also subscribed using it, so I get feedbacks from them. And so, if my system tells me to buy and I get a confirmation, I buy. You understand? So that is what I do. So waiting is part of it. Observing the movement of price on your chart or your screen is part of the training. So this volatility crusher is very reliable. So be waiting for another entry signal, which it may come at any time. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Okay, let you see this. This is a bar. I just caught the spike right on the spot. Right on the spot. I got a signal when I read the movement of the price. I enter the buy and look at it. Boom. It went up straight. You understand? So I'm not saying this system is 100% accurate, but it gets accuracy above 95%. Above 95%. So this is a spike traded now with 0.75, $13 made from that trade. So I'm closing it now. Position closed. Position closed. So you have seen it again. So let me still wait for another position for a sell signal. Okay, so let's trade boom 500. Let's trade boom 500 on the sell. Two positions entered. So I see how it goes. For this signal, I am two candles, 2 or 3 candles late into the entry. So and as such, I don't really feel comfortable with it, but let's see how it goes. All right, let's see how it goes. All right, $5 reached. This is about the last trade for this live trading session. So I'm closing. First position closed, then second position closed. So in all, we've had 5 trading sessions, 4 for the normal trend and 1 for the spike using volatility crusher. And you have seen it demonstrated. I didn't just pick those trades. I waited for my signal, and I waited for the signal to be confirmed. That is what I do, and that is what I advise everyone to do. Don't just rush into trade. Okay, we've had 5 successful trade sessions now, and from this trading system, the volatility crusher gives you on one index alone on Boom 500 in a day you have over 100 signals. So in all, you'll be having over 400 signals per day. And then if you filter them, waiting for the confirmation to be truly confirmed, and then before you enter your trade, you can successfully have 20 to 30 trade sessions in a day if you have the time to stick around your system. And by the way, I must also tell you that I also have this, you can use it on VPS, whereby you don't need to go all around with your system. So right on your phone, wherever you are, as long as you have good network connection, you are trading and you are making profit. So that will be all for now. And I will be willing and looking forward for you to reach out to me so that we can trade this market successfully together. Now, here are just the brief about this volatility crusher. It's 90% high accuracy signals. You have seen it from those 5 trades we entered. That is 100% non-repaint buy and sell signal. It's good for scalping, just like I did now, and long trade entries, pop-up alert and mobile push notifications, all that. Then VPS compliance trading system. So here are my contacts. Reach out to me. For those who have been connecting and getting across to me via mail and everything. So I've responded to your messages and I'm looking forward to hear from you very soon. Thank you. Enjoy your trade. Bye.